terms of the areas of engineering that Genesis are involved in, it's simply two divisions. It's construction and then it's also energy. Since its inception, Genesis has been involved in the construction market, initially with mechanical and electrical engineering and then more recently the construction, so design and build, architecture and then moving on to civil engineering and infrastructure. We've also added to that energy and power, both from a domestic point of view and international recruitment as well. In terms of our geographical coverage, from a client perspective, we're involved in three main markets. There's Europe, the GCC and then the Southeast Asia market. From a candidate perspective, we've got a global coverage, but we understand more and more now that our clients are looking for in-market experience. In terms of why clients would use Genesis for their engineering recruitment, it's a number of different things. Firstly, we have technical knowledge in-house, so we've managed to employ people that came from industry. Also the experience in the market. As I mentioned, Genesis has been involved in the market now for over 6 years, but a lot of our consultants have been sort of 7, 8 years plus. And especially when you're looking at regions like the GCC, it's important to have that understanding of how to mobilise people out to the marketplace. We look to get out to the market where possible, so every 3 or 4 months I tend to not be in the office, whether it be travelling to the Middle East or whether it be out to Southeast Asia. We look to get face-to-face with our clients as much as we can. Obviously the engineering market is a hugely exciting one, so in terms of future plans, there are many different avenues we can go down. Initially, complementary markets will be the ones, so right now we're involved in power and construction. We've not even touched areas like oil and gas and mining, so to speak, as yet. So they're certainly areas for the future of the business. Also geographically, the world is a big place, and what we look to do is to be specialists within a specific market before we go on to cover other areas. So certainly right now we're looking at Europe, the GCC and Southeast Asia, but I think in the future we'll start to look at more into Africa and the LATAM market as well.